Let me hear some ready. I'm ready. Come on, now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star. Let me hear some ready. I'm ready. Come on, now slide, slide, slide to the bar.
All right, guys, this is the HaloCam recorder for vehicles. I'm going to put this in my Corvette. Just going to mount it up temporarily right now. It does come with a pretty long USB connector cord, power cord. And I'm going to run with this for about, I'm going to say I'm going to keep it in here for about a week to get to see how this thing operates and works. And you're going to want to find a spot up here that's convenient. And it's got a little adjustable bracket here you can unscrew to loosen it, and you can tilt it whichever way you need so you get a straight view of the street in front of you. And you'll attach your power cord, and I'm going to be plugging mine into this. I've already got a cigarette adapter here that powers my Alexa Dot and my also auxiliary smartphone. So I've got an empty slot right there. I'm going to plug this camera into there. Alright, so I've got it mounted. It's a two-sided sticky tape to the glass there. I've got it pointing straight out the camera lens. And I've just run the camera cord around the mirror once, and then above the sun visor here, and just draped it down and across here, and plugged it into my cigarette lighter charger port right there, USB port. We'll see how it works. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing a comparison side by side with the C7 built-in PDR personal data recorder that comes in the I think the level 3 L3 Corvette package. And right now you can see I'm going to be comparing it to the HaloCam, which is in there right now. It's easy to conceal, just an oval stick-on, and it's oblong shaped, round. The PDR, I believe, is right in here, right in this area right there, right above it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this whole camera out and the SD card for my PDR camera and take it into the office, hook it up on the bench there, and compare them side by side, see which one has the better quality. I'm hoping that the new HaloCam has the better quality, because when you see the camera image on the built-in PDR, it's not good, not good at all. It looks like technology from about 5 or 6 years ago, at least. Alright guys, stay tuned. I want one for my wife's vehicle and my C7 Corvette. What I've tested out first, I'm going to buy another one as well, but this is the first one I tested out. This is the HaloCam C1. This is the bracket attached here. It can easily unscrew from your bracket that you mount on your windshield with two-sided sticky tape, which I've done here today. Your SD card goes in the end here. It's a micro SD card. It's got mics and speakers, so it can hear sound, and I'll put up a few test samples here shortly to see how loud that records and what you get from the sound. But I didn't really purchase it for the sound anyway. I wanted high quality video, because the PDR that was built into my 2015 Corvette C7, that technology there was like from 10-20 years ago. The image is horrible. I can't believe, I'm embarrassed that they put that out in a nice super performance car like that in the Corvette. But wait till you see the image on this thing. It is amazing, and I'm glad I got it. But I think actually I'm going to put this in my wife's 2015 Ford Edge, and I'm going to get me the magnetic one that you can pull down. It's like a magnetic ball. It's actually got a little mini screen on the back of it. Although I didn't purchase it for the mini screen, I don't think that's very useful. Maybe it's helpful for you knowing that it's on. This one has a little flashing green light every time you get into the car and turn it on, it announces if you want it to, or you can turn the announcement off. It'll say that it's powered on or whatever. But the flashing green LED light here will let you know that it's steadily recording every time you take your car out to drive. And that's why I purchased it as well. I wanted a continuous recording dash cam that I didn't have to remember to turn on at all. I just wanted to loop and just keep recording and then loop after that. Just record, because if I didn't pull the recording, then nothing happened. You know, if something happens, I can easily access it from my cell phone. It's got its own Wi-Fi network that it establishes. So you have to connect, it's kind of clumsy, you have to connect to the HaloCam, find the Wi-Fi network for the HaloCam when you go into the app. But if, say, an accident happened and a police officer was on scene and you wanted to show them real quickly what happened, you know, from your dash cam, you could easily access that without pulling out the SD card and trying to pull the video off of the SD card, because that you're going to need a computer for at home. But yes, you can pull it off to your smartphone and download as well that way. But what I did here today is I just pulled the SD card out, pulled it into my office here, popped the SD card into my computer, and just dragged it over, dragged the video files over. So we'll take a look at those next.
Recording started.
Guys, thanks for watching. I'll leave the links below to the 2 dash cams that I'm getting, the one I have now that we just reviewed and the one that's on the way, and I'll make another video review of that one as well. But you can study up on it right now, maybe read the reviews on it. You might want to get one too. So those links are below. Thank you again for watching my channel. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.